Here's a pair of the JBL Tune Buds. I'm going to show you how to connect these directly to an Android phone via Bluetooth. The Android phone that I'm using here is a Samsung Galaxy S25. So the first thing we got to do is put these earbuds into pairing mode. Okay, so the buds are in a case. Let me open these up. I'll know that these are in pairing mode if both of these are blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, so they're not. Okay, I get like a solid blue light there, and then it turns off. The reason is for me is because I'm connected to another device, another phone. Okay, so for myself, for me to put this in pairing mode, I need to go to the phone that I'm connected to, or I can factory reset these to put these back into pairing mode. But anyway, let me go to this phone here, my iPhone here. So I go to my iPhone, I go to settings, and I go to Bluetooth here. You can see it was connected here. So I can turn off Bluetooth, or I can click on the information. I can disconnect or forget this device. If I do any of those three, these will go into pairing mode. I'm just going to go ahead and turn the Bluetooth off like that. And I'm going to go ahead and close the lid. Wait for this light to turn off. Okay, now go ahead and open it up. And now it should be in pairing mode where both of these are blinking blue. So give it a second here. While we're waiting for this, we'll go to the phone here. We're going to go to settings. So we're going to go to settings and then connections. And you can see blue, 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 blue. So it's in pairing mode. And make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And then we're going to tap on Bluetooth. And then you see a little spinny thing right there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. Okay, and you can see the JBL Tune Buds popped up right there. Tap on that. With Android phones, you should get a pairing request. We'll tap on pair, and voila, we're connected and ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these as well. If you need to do that, look below in the description area for that link.